We're here, live at the scene of innovation, to bring you some breaking news. Down below, you can see the bird's eye view of the Tommy's Express Wash. The new Tommy's Express Wash is the perfect prototype for car wash owners looking to revamp their systems or invest for the first time in a profitable business. The story of the Tommy's Express Wash began over 45 years ago when a family company built its first car wash in 1969. 4 generations later, Tommy's car washes exist around the world, and the company is still in the family. The Tommy's Express Wash you see today is the culmination of 45 years of hard work, innovation, and advances in technology, and their unwavering commitment to efficiency and customer service. Now, let's take a tour of the wash with our head field reporter, Morgan Elizabeth.
Thanks, Bob. This is truly amazing. Let's begin with a look outside the car wash. The point of sale area is the first destination when entering the property. With signature curves, the Tommy's Space Station canopy and clear channel text spell out the lane options. The Tommy's Express Wash system has 3 lines. The first lane is run by a cashier. The second lane is run by an auto teller system that accepts cash or credit. The outside lane is reserved for unlimited club members to bypass the lines. The Tommy's Express app drives the Unlimited Club program, where members can sign up and manage their plan, as well as multiple vehicles with different wash packages. They enter and manage their credit card information right from their smartphone, and our system automatically renews them every month. We identify the vehicle by reading their license plate, which is connected to their phone app and allows them to wash at any Tommy's Express location from coast to coast. The tower creates the iconic look to draw people into that point-of-sale destination area, while also providing a clear view for all the monetary exchanges. All 3 lanes are gated for safety, and whichever lane finishes the transaction first opens, allowing the customer to proceed into the queue. Now, we are inside the pay station tower. All 3 lanes are managed from here at the cashier window. The Tommy's Express Wash can process transactions, take coupons, do special promotions, and answer questions. On the screens here, Tommy's Express Wash can monitor lanes 2 and 3 and what's going on in those auto tellers. Cameras allow car wash owners to monitor everything that's going on around the facility. Vehicles come out of the point of sale system and make a left-hand turn towards the car wash tunnel. We like to have a minimum of 5 vehicles in the queue. This gives people enough time to get situated and prepare for loading. Vehicles come downhill into the car wash tunnel, which allows the customer to ride the brake and creates a safer and faster loading process. The secret to an outstanding car wash is high-volume processing. The #1 tool Tommy's Express has to process vehicles at these dizzying speeds is called the Tommy Transporter Belt Conveyor Moving Floor System, which is designed to keep vehicles in constant motion. The Tommy's Express system reduces missed cars. With a belt system, customers don't turn the wheel or jump a roller. This allows for fast loading, smooth processing, and less fear from customers that their wheels will be scratched by the old chain and roller conveyors. The Tommy Transporter Belt performs at dizzying levels. It has seen a peak day of 2,913 cars and is designed to handle a peak of 200 cars per hour. Built into the Tommy's Car Wash Express is a flight deck. The flight deck is designed to put cashiers in close proximity to the loading area of the car wash. This allows cars to load themselves. The design of the windows allows the cashier to verify that vehicles are online and in neutral. Cashiers hear the voice command or triggers and ensure everything looks good. The flight deck's key design incorporates a panoramic window, which allows one to look down the car wash tunnel and see everything happening with full control. In addition to the line of sight, a control console gives cashiers an additional push-button station, start, stop, and some of the wash controls, as well as conveyor pause feature. The pause slows down the belt conveyor to a crawl if there's trouble with loading. Pausing the conveyor slows it down for a few seconds and restarts it at full speed without stopping the wash. 2 touchscreens allow for an auxiliary controller, and a management application controls the daily checklist in a cloud software program Tommy's experts put together. Daily checklist totals, chemical levels, and cost per car reading are available on the management application, giving us full control of this facility. Now, let's look inside the tunnel. The Tommy's Express Wash boasts a 32-foot wide car wash bay. This creates a wide-open, spacious environment for the customer, as well as for the staff to manage and maintain the car wash. By rethinking the car wash, Tommy's Express has eliminated the traditional big back rooms and created a chemical pod that houses everything in just 9 feet of space. All the chemical functions and the chemicals themselves are plumed in from the bottom with a pod run overhead
through a ladder rack system. The Tommy's Express ladder rack bracket holds all the chemical lines on the bottom and hydraulics on the top. When they go out to the bay, they connect all the arches together. The second tunnel down the pod is the maintenance pod. This is crucial for day-to-day operation, for maintenance on the nozzles, chemical injectors, tip cleaning, and light-duty maintenance. This has a workbench, a vise, a toolbox wall cleaner, and window cleaner with retractable rail guns for high pressure, low pressure, and a water rinse. The third pod on the end is the hydraulic shield. It plumbs out overhead, connects over the ladder reach to the arches for all the hydraulics in the system. The Tommy's Express Wash has a number of elements that customers come to love and recognize by name. Out front is the fire and ice service. Using LED lights, it bathes a car in a soap bath with added effects. In the middle of the tunnel is the Rainbow Coat trademark service. Downstream, there's the hot wax application, and then the high pressure rinse, the ice sealers, and spot-free rinse. Refusing to waste an inch of space in the highly efficient model, the Tommy's Express Wash utilizes the last 10 feet of the conveyor line for its tire shine. The tire shine attaches to the blower arch to stay off the floor. Applying a protective gloss coating, the tire shine keeps wheels and hubcaps fresh. Another unique innovation in this equipment package is called the all-in-one module. This incorporates a set of side washers, a midder curtain, a set of rocker brushes, and a set of wraps on an all-in-one module. An epoxy floor in the wash bay with a rolled edge in the corners makes the Tommy's Express Wash easy to clean. A very narrow ledge underneath the windows makes for easy cleaning and reduces ledges for water to sit on. An acrylic roof system over the car wash creates a bright atmosphere in the wash bay with LED lighting to accompany that. Advances in technology have allowed the Tommy's Express Wash to have a smaller, drier back room. Though open and spacious, it is only 30 feet long. At the end of the room, there is an electrical area with a VFD panel and the controller, and the sub-panels consolidated in a dry environment. In the middle of the room, there is an RO system for filtered water and an all-in-one pump station, which combines all the right pumps for the right purposes. These include wheel blasters, pumps, and then a Grundfos pump that ramps up and down to feed the chemical pods, a cap pump for cleaning the bay, and a booster pump for the rinse. The Tommy's Express design rethinks water distribution to generate some extra pressure. Up in the mezzanine, the RO water storage tank, a narrow 400-gallon tank, holds a hot water heater up, which runs a heat exchanger to do snow melt and provide hot water for the wash and the air compressor. Running a 180 to 200 car-per-hour chain speed is an impressive feat, but in addition, the Tommy's Express Wash shows some of the driest vehicles coming out of a car wash. With 180 horsepower heated blower producers and a new side drying cloth that does reverse rotation, cars emerge from the tunnel as sleek and dry as when they were brand new. In front of the Tommy's Express Wash model, there are free vacuum stalls. Customers pull up to the stalls and hit the start button to start the vacuums. This ensures that power isn't wasted by having a constantly running vacuum. The vacuum drops a hose on each side of the vehicle. The red balls are also trash cans as well as hose docks. The vacuum is powered by a producer. On the stanchion, there is a slim stainless steel canister with a filter cartridge inside and two 220-volt motors. Customers of Tommy's Express Washes love the free vacuums, and franchise owners can still make revenue from the interior cleaning kits sold for $5 a kit at each vacuum stall. Outside the exit of the tunnel, one can see the outside of the dry back room. The vertical wall here is finished with a product called Nishi Hob. On the left is a storage tower for supplies as well as a heavy-duty workbench. The end wall starburst creates the iconic design recognizable by motorists. Cars come out at nearly 200 cars per hour clean, shiny, and dry. The Tommy's Express Wash can be reproduced in the exact same way to maximize efficiency both in the construction process and in the wash process itself. To learn more about the Tommy's Express Wash, how you can build a wash, or become a franchisee, visit www.tommycarwash.com.